Bathrooms, whether big or small, should always be well thought out, carefully located, and should function with multiple users in mind. Today's bathroom need to be beautiful, use space efficiently, and serve the users functionally. Hello everyone, I hope you are doing good. I am Mishra, an interior designer. I will share some important tips and advice on bathroom design. Before that, I would like to share that this bathroom makeover I handled few months ago. Later in this video, we will go over how to avoid common mistake when constructing your bathroom. So keep watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now. So this was the bathroom given to us for makeover. This is an area of 4 feet by 8 feet, a combined bathroom, that is bathe area, WC and sink. The area was small with lot of work to be done. As you can see in this picture, there was an Indian WC. Now our client wants European WC in its place. This was a major challenge for us because when we live in an apartment, pipelines are common and changing the entire pipeline system is really difficult task. Remember, while changing plumbing points can give you the layout you really want, it can also increase the budget exponentially. But we have a solution to every problem, and in this case the problem was solved by changing the old pipelines and connecting them to the mains, as you can see in this video. Make sure you don't try this without any professional guidance. Every project is different, so the rules are not applicable everywhere. You require a strong technical team, otherwise things can go bad really quickly. When you plan something, always take measurement for available floor space and work out where fixture and fitting would be best placed. If you're worried about your measuring and planning abilities, then I strongly recommend contacting a professional service to avoid costly mistakes. We took the countertop wash basin by Jaguar, and the vanity is made using WPC board. I hope you have seen my detailed video on WPC board. If not, I'll add a link to it in the description. For a smaller bathroom, we suggest you have a high wall-mounted flush tank as a space-saving idea. Also get wall-mounted WC installed to save even more space. We did the same for this project, and the best part is that Jaguar has an inbuilt jet, which our client really liked. For bathing, adding a glass cubicle wasn't possible due to lack of space, so we added a glass partition between the WC and bathing area. The walls that you see are not an Italian marble. Keeping this project cost-effective, we have used Italian marble tiles, and for the floor, we went for anti-skid tiles. Now, most of the bathroom design work is finished. It's time to complete this project by installing PVC doors that are readily available in the market. Standard bathroom door height is 86 inches and width is 32 inches. The door width may vary from 28 inches to 24 inches, small as per space availability. This door opened towards the outside to save space. The key to successful bathroom design is preparation. There are many things to take into consideration when designing your bathroom to ensure it look great and function perfectly well into the future. Having the bathroom door open directly facing the toilet is neither stylish nor necessary. Solution is tuck the loo behind the door or place it to the side where it's not in full view when you open the bathroom door. Insufficient storage. This often comes down to too much focus on aesthetic and not on function. Solution is eye-level storage is critical in a bathroom rather than having a mirror adhered to the wall. Choosing a mirror cabinet recessed into the wall that incorporates storage for everyday essentials such as toothbrush, shaver and makeup. Poor lighting. Solution is plan a layered lighting scheme that includes several different lighting resources. It should feature lighting for ambience. Concealed LED strips are a great option as they don't consume much energy and can be left on to create a low-key mood. Put them under vanities and shaving cabinets, behind mirrors and in shower niches. Not considering existing plumbing points or infrastructure. What's behind the wall is a big deal when you are renovating or changing a bathroom layout. Make sure you work with your plumber to figure out if the new layout will work with current plumbing points and infrastructure. Measuring incorrectly. It's a common mistake not to take account of little things such as the way a door will swing or the gap between the toilet and the vanity. Always measure twice before you select fittings and fixture for your bathroom to make sure they will fit. Think how doors and drawers will open and how you will move through the space. The right tile choice can make or break your bathroom. So take your time when deciding on color, size and material. Even the right color grout can make all the difference too. The truth is, great design is less about how a bathroom looks and more about how it works. Great designs translate to a house that functions better, costs less to build and is more efficient to maintain and gets you more for less. Now you know which bathroom design mistakes to avoid. I hope these tips will help you create the perfect space. Thank you so much for watching this video. Share your feedback and suggestion in the comments below. And yes, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do it now to see more such videos on home improvement. Oh, and don't forget to like this video. Bye for now till we meet next time.